Hello, I'm Jody at Chime.Center. In this video, I will talk about how to edit or add seasons using Chime.Center. Seasons make up the special and ordinary times of the year. The current season of your bell ringing system is displayed when the touchscreen is locked and displaying the clock. From Chime.Center, click Settings on the top toolbar and choose System Information to view the current SmartAlmanac details. Each season is filled with appropriate musical albums. Albums and seasons work hand in hand to create the automatic playlist you hear during the different times of the year. Watch the tutorial video about how to edit and add albums to learn more. The SmartAlmanac provided with your Advanced Experience system already recognizes many important dates and automatically changes your music with the seasons. This feature frees you from the task of constantly changing your music throughout the year. You can trust that your system will always play suitable music. Additionally, the guided setup has established your denomination and local traditions to focus your seasons even better. This video is for users who wish to edit the factory seasons in Chime.Center. If you want to adjust to the current holidays or add dates you wish to celebrate, continue watching to learn more about seasons. Seasons that have been deleted from Chime.Center cannot be restored, only recreated. If you don't want to recognize a particular season, it may be a better idea to disable it instead. From the Seasons screen, neither music nor albums will be deleted from your system. Some included seasons are based on other seasonal options. For example, Easter does not always start on the same date, but Chime Master developers have defined the Easter dates for decades in advance. The Lent season is based on the dates of the Easter season. Holy Week cannot then be based on Lent, but instead should also rely on the moving Easter date. Take care changing seasonal details, as changes you have saved cannot be undone. If ever two or more seasons are scheduled on the same day, music will play from the shortest season only. If you wish to hear a blend of music, add multiple albums to a single season instead. I'll start by creating a new season. From Chime.Center, click on Music and Seasons. Click the green button at the top to add a new season. My new season is All Saints' Day. Make sure it's enabled, meaning it will become active on the dates I define below, not necessarily active today. It is not a silent season. Optional silence on Good Friday and Holy Saturday uses this setting. All Saints' Day falls on November 1st, so I will use the same start and end dates every year. From the factory, Easter is the only season that does not use the same dates every year. If the dates are different every year, you'll be asked to specify that field. Finally, All Saints' Day is not based on any other season. The album box is empty. If it's left empty, nothing will play during the season. I'll choose to play memorial music and evening hymns. During this season, the songs from the albums listed here will play in a shuffled order whenever Almanac selected music is in your ringing system. I only want to play this music for one day, so I'll make both the start and end methods on date and set the same date. If you choose other start and end methods, the entry fields below will change. Fill out what is shown. On date. The Christmas season can be started on December 1st. On ordinal weekday of the month. Memorial Day always falls on the final Monday of May. Number of days before or after date. Ascension is on January 6th. End the Christmas season 11 days after December 25th to play through the 12 days of Christmas. You cannot set a date past the new year. For example, you cannot set the Christmas season to start on December 25th and end on January 6th. Number of days before or after ordinal weekday of the month. Start the Christmas season one day after the fourth Thursday of November to start Christmas music the day after Thanksgiving. On weekday, number of weeks before or after date. A week-long Advent season is programmed in this way. On weekday, number of weeks before or after ordinal weekday of the month. Set the start and end times to Sunday, 1 week before the fourth Thursday of November, to set a special season on the Sunday prior to Thanksgiving. You can also begin or end a season based on another season's start date. On date. Create a season just for Easter Sunday by setting the start and end times to the beginning of the Easter season. Since 2 seasons would be active that day, only the shorter one would play. Number of days before or after date. This is how Holy Week is scheduled from the factory. 1 weekday, number of weeks before or after date. The Lent season ends on Sunday, 1 week before the start of the Easter season. Double-check that your new season is enabled, that at least one album is displayed, and that the date and all necessary fields are filled out. Then save your changes. You will return to the Seasons page. Here you will see a list of all factory and user-created seasons on your ringing system, whether or not they are enabled. Let's look at the existing Lent season. Find it on your list and click Edit Season. Lent is enabled, meaning that it will play during the times defined below, and it is not a silent season. The Lent season will start and end the same time every year. Its beginning and ending times are based on another season. When you base the dates of one season on another, the initial season, Easter in this example, must be enabled. You can choose the albums which will play during the Lent season. If no album is here, no music will play. Your system has chosen the Lenten Hymns album. You can add or replace albums to play during the Lent season by choosing from the drop-down menu under Albums. Click the X in a gray box to delete a single album, or click the X in the white box to clear the whole field. The start and end methods determine how long the Lent season is active. Since it's already been determined that these dates will rely on another season, some options are grayed out and will not be used in this instance. My Lent season starts on Ash Wednesday, or 46 days before the Easter season starts, on Easter Sunday. So for the start method, I have number of days before date. I want to end the Lent season on the Thursday before Easter Day. Good Friday is the following day, so I've chosen on weekday, number of weeks before date. Changing the methods change how to fill in the start and end times below. With those in place, I can choose to start 46 days before the beginning of the Easter season and end on the Thursday, 1 week before the start of the Easter season. Now, when Easter's date changes, the Lent season will always be correct. To exit this screen without saving, click Cancel. Otherwise, click Save Changes. Once the system has rebuilt your library based on your changes, you can check that your seasons were set to the dates you intended by going to Music on the toolbar and clicking Season Timeline. Change the start date and number of days to a period you want to view and click Get Season Timeline. You may only see some of the days or see the result, No Seasons Found. Only days assigned to a special season will be displayed. Thank you for watching this Chime Master video. Look below for more details regarding this Chime Center feature and for additional informational videos.